Today, I'm going to teach you how to create different meeting IDs in Zoom. This is incredibly useful when you need to host multiple meetings with unique links, whether for different clients, departments, or recurring sessions that require separate identifiers. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your account dashboard. After logging in, you'll see the Zoom web portal. Look over to the left panel where you'll find several navigation options. From this menu, click on Meetings. This section is where you'll manage all your scheduled and upcoming Zoom sessions. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, you'll notice a button that says Schedule a Meeting with a plus sign next to it. Go ahead and click on that. This is the starting point for creating a new meeting with its own unique ID. You'll be taken to a scheduling form where you can customize your meeting details. The first field you'll see is Topic. This is where you enter the name of your meeting. Type in whatever name makes sense for your purpose, whether it's a client consultation, team stand-up, or training session. Next, you'll need to set the date for your meeting. Use the calendar picker to select your preferred date, then adjust the time using the drop-down menu right below it. Make sure you choose a time that works for all participants. Below the time setting, you'll find the time zone drop-down menu. Click on it and select your preferred time zone from the list. This is especially important if you're coordinating with people across different regions to avoid any confusion about meeting times. Here's the crucial step for creating a different meeting ID. Look for the Meeting ID section and make sure that Generate Automatically is selected. This option ensures that Zoom assigns a unique meeting ID to this particular session rather than using your personal meeting ID. Each time you create a meeting with this setting, you'll get a fresh, distinct meeting ID. In the Security section, you have the option to add a passcode. This is optional, but recommended for added security. If you choose to use one, type in a passcode that participants will need to enter before joining. This helps keep your meetings private and prevents unauthorized access. Once you've configured all these settings to your liking, scroll down and click the Save button. Zoom will process your meeting details and create the session with its new unique ID. After saving, you'll be redirected to a confirmation page that displays all your meeting information. Here you'll see the newly generated meeting ID prominently displayed. Go ahead and copy this ID. You now have a brand new meeting identifier that's completely separate from any other meetings you've scheduled. You can share this ID and the meeting link with your participants. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.